What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell at your bottom right. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, family, so for this no-bake Oreo pie, all you're going to need is 2 to 3 packs of Oreo cookies, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 blocks of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, half tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tub of Cool Whip, 2 bags of chocolate chips, and a half cup of heavy whipping cream. And without further ado, let's get to creating this delicious treat, family. Okay, in your old school food processor like mine, or in your blender, you want to mix up 24 to 36 Oreo cookies down to this. Or you want to crush them perhaps. Alright, in our mixing bowl we're going to add in our crust, our Oreo cookies, and 1 stick of melted butter, and we're going to give this a nice mix. And this is our crust, family. At this time we're going to add in a 2nd stick of melted butter, and we're going to give this a nice mix. Yes. Okay, now in our pie dish, we're going to go ahead and we're going to flatten out our Oreo crust. Okay, and once you got it even, we're going to go ahead and place this in the freezer. And let's get to our filling. We're going to take 2 blocks of cream cheese and we're going to mix this up well. You want to make sure that this is softened first, okay, family? Now we're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Give this a nice mix. And at this time, we're going to add a half tablespoon of vanilla extract. And you guessed it. Okay, now we're going to add in our crushed Oreos and 1 tub of our Cool Whip. And we're going to give this a nice stir. If you like this video, give me a like. Alright. At this time, we're going to go ahead and put our filling into our pie crust. And at this time, we want to go ahead and we're going to smooth this out real smooth, family. And we're going to place this back into the freezer. Now we're going to go ahead and get our chocolate topping together. Okay, we're going to take a 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and a half cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to melt this down. Oh yes. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our chocolate topping and place it on top of our pie. And it's okay to be articulate. Okay, at this time we're going to take our half cookies and we're going to make them around the pie. Just as a garnish. Alright, we're going to put this back in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Until then, quick fact. When were Oreo cookies created? 1912. Oreo cookies were first manufactured in 1912 by the National Biscuit Company, Nabisco, and were released as part of a trio of the highest class biscuits that included Mother Goose biscuits and Veronese biscuits, according to Gizmodo. You learn something new every day. Pretty cool. Okay, family, and after 20 minutes, this is what we're looking at. You did this, and this looked beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Alright. Let's go ahead and have a taste. Delicious! I want to say thank you for joining me today, family. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.